Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Rosemary Seeds is probably one of the most rewarding additions to any indoor garden, offering not just a delightful aroma and culinary versatility, but also a touch of Mediterranean charm right in your home, making it perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners eager to cultivate fresh herbs year-round without the need for extensive outdoor space. Number 5. Homegrown Herb Seeds 15-pack. This kit offers a massive count of over 4,300 non-GMO heirloom seeds across 15 varieties. It's an extra-large culinary herb kit perfect for indoor, outdoor, or hydroponic gardening. Grow your own herbs easily and enjoy fresh flavors. You get 15 different heirloom herb varieties, with over 4,300 seeds in total. Each packet is USA sourced and tested for high germination rates. Plant them in your backyard, windowsill, or pots for fresh flavors all season. These seeds thrive indoors, perfect for hydroponic systems, AeroGarden, or windowsill planters. They are ideal for apartment dwellers and urban gardeners with limited outdoor space. You can grow fresh herbs year-round, even in small containers. This starter kit makes a thoughtful gift for gardeners and home chefs. It's ideal for various occasions like Christmas, Mother's Day, or birthdays. Beautifully packaged, it's a meaningful present that keeps growing all year. Every seed is 100% non-GMO and heirloom, allowing you to save seeds for continuous harvests. With over 85% germination, even beginners see results quickly. They require no special equipment, just soil, water, and sunlight, saving you money on groceries. These herbs are versatile, not just for cooking. You can brew teas, create crafts, or even make homemade skincare products. They also offer a great way to teach children about food origins. What we like. This kit offers a massive variety of 15 different culinary herbs, including rosemary, ensuring you have every flavor imaginable at your fingertips. With its high germination rate and suitability for hydroponics, it's perfect if you're looking for a comprehensive, versatile herb garden that thrives in any setting, from a small apartment to a full outdoor bed. What people say. Number 4. Spade to Fork Organic Indoor Herb Kit. We are a family-owned farm in rural Oregon, bringing you the best. This kit includes 5 types of certified organic, non-GMO seeds, along with everything else you need to start your garden. Unlike others, every component of this kit is fully certified USDA organic. From the seeds to the soil and pots, it's all safe and free from harmful chemicals. We believe in sustainable, eco-friendly systems for everyone. This makes a fantastic gift for virtually anyone, from seasoned gardeners to complete beginners. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or a thoughtful housewarming present. Bring your kitchen to life with fresh, homegrown herbs right at your fingertips. These heirloom seeds offer a unique way to add gourmet flavor to your meals and brighten your space. Whether you're a first-time grower or an experienced gardener, this kit offers a fun activity for everyone. It will bring fresh taste to your dishes, vibrant color to your kitchen, and joy to your table. What we like. This product stands out with its full USDA organic certification for the entire kit, including soil and pots. Sourced from an Oregon family farm, it's ideal if you prioritize sustainability and want to ensure every component of your indoor garden is free from harmful chemicals, offering a pure growing experience. What people say. Number 3. Homegrown 10 Herb Seeds Kit. Discover the Homegrown 10 Herb Seeds Kit, your complete solution for a vibrant herb garden. This extra-large variety pack provides everything you need to cultivate fresh, flavorful herbs right at home. This premium collection features 10 essential culinary herb seeds, including basil, oregano, parsley, mint, and thyme. Elevate your cooking with these fresh ingredients, perfect for any dish. With over 3,000 carefully selected heirloom seeds, an abundant harvest is guaranteed. Each packet offers multiple growing seasons, allowing you to enjoy continuous, organic herbs for cooking and saving money. Rest assured, these are pure, natural herb seeds, free from genetic modifications. They maintain their original characteristics and rich flavors, perfect for organic gardening enthusiasts. Designed for successful growth in any environment, these seeds are incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer hydroponics, indoor windowsills, or outdoor garden beds, they make growing simple for everyone. This complete kit makes a thoughtful present for cooking enthusiasts, health-conscious individuals, or aspiring gardeners. It includes plant markers and a growing guide, making it an ideal gift. What we like. Featuring 10 essential culinary herbs and over 3,000 seeds, this pack offers an incredible value for money. If you're a home chef looking to significantly cut down on grocery bills while enjoying a continuous supply of fresh, aromatic herbs like basil and thyme, this abundant and cost-effective option is for you. What people say. Number 2. Homegrown Autumn Beauty Sunflower Seeds. Each pack provides 40 premium seeds, promising vibrant, multicolored flowers. They are perfect for stunning garden displays and ensure a long-lasting, colorful season. These seeds sprout quickly, often within 7 to 14 days, and grow rapidly to impressive heights of 5 to 8 feet. You can enjoy mature blooms in just 60 to 80 days. They produce striking sunflowers in shades of yellow, red, and orange, measuring 4 to 6 inches across. These blooms add long-lasting ornamental beauty from midsummer through fall. These non-GMO seeds attract bees, butterflies, and birds, enhancing your garden's biodiversity. They help create a thriving, wildlife-friendly space. They thrive in hot, dry climates with minimal care, showing strong resistance to heat, drought, and pests. This ensures reliable blooms even in challenging conditions. These sunflowers are perfect for beautiful floral arrangements with their vibrant colors and sturdy stems. Their seeds can be roasted for snacks or used as bird feed, offering both ornamental and edible value. You can start them indoors or sow directly outdoors after the last frost. They thrive in well-drained soil with full sun, making them easy to grow in various conditions. What we like. While not a culinary herb, this product offers stunning multicolored sunflower blooms that last from midsummer to fall. If you're looking to add vibrant ornamental beauty to your garden and attract essential pollinators like bees and butterflies, these hardy, disease-resistant seeds are an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. No additional positive reviews found in the provided source. Number 1. Open Seed Vault 4000 Heirloom Herb Seeds. Discover the joy of a complete herb garden with this essential variety pack. It includes 12 flavorful herbs, perfect for fresh, aromatic harvests right at home. Enjoy fresh, homegrown herbs for all your culinary needs, from cooking to teas and natural remedies. Growing them yourself helps reduce grocery costs and ensures quality. These herbs are perfect for seasoning your favorite dishes, preserving flavors, and even for wellness uses. They bring vibrant tastes to your kitchen and support a natural, sustainable lifestyle. Each herb variety is individually sealed in its own resealable, moisture-resistant packet. This ensures long-term storage, easy organization, and maximum seed viability until you're ready to plant. Thoughtfully packaged and ready to share, this collection makes a perfect gift. It's ideal for gardeners, homesteaders, beginners, or anyone who loves growing their own food. We stand behind our seeds with a quality guarantee. If you experience any issues with germination, our team is ready to help. You can plant with confidence and grow a flourishing garden. What we like. This vault provides a diverse collection of 12 herb varieties, individually packed for maximum freshness and long-term storage. If you're a homesteader or a beginner gardener seeking a wide range of common culinary herbs for cooking and remedies, this comprehensive and well-preserved seed collection is perfect for starting your self-sufficient garden. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.